so many skincare products. Do you know how to use each in the right order? I don't. But beauty expert Shobana Lakkavally is going to show us how.
Yes, it's like, I feel like harder than calculus with the amount of products that are out there, multi-purpose products that are out there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so we're gonna start with our morning routine. I'm gonna show you how to create like a core, simple routine that all genders can use.
Okay.
Okay, and then we're gonna up the game a little bit, all right? Okay, so do you use a cleanser in the morning?
Not in the morning. I use a cleanser to take my makeup off when I come home from work, but in the morning it's just water on my face. Yeah.
And you know what, that works for you, right? Yes. Yeah. For me, what works is definitely using a gentle cleanser. This is my favorite, it's by Levito, and what that does is that it actually removes any of the residue from your pillows, your hair, drool maybe, I don't know, from the night before, okay? But I love that you're gentle with your routine in the morning because you just don't want to use a cleanser that's too harsh. That can actually strip your oils, strip your water, and cause all the problems you're trying to avoid.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Now we're gonna go with serums. I feel like serums are the most overlooked product. You weren't using one until recently.
I wasn't,
right?
and then you got me on them, and I'm like, okay, now I really love them.
Right?
But I don't know when to use them, so I tend to that's the only thing I use.
Okay, I love it. So after you use your cleanser, if we're just doing a core routine, you use your cleanser, then you use your serum, okay?
Okay.
Serums work on the inner layers of your skin, really strengthening and targeting those goals. They are the heavy lifters of your skincare routine. This is where you want to invest. If you don't know where to start, think about using a vitamin C. I think that's what I gave you.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, because it has great benefits. Smoothing, texturizing, protective, premature aging, it covers it all. I like the SkinCeuticals. It is a little bit more on the pricier side, but there are more budget-friendly options. It Cosmetics also has serums that kind of target more benefits. So if you want to fade dark spots, if you want to target acne, they're more goal-oriented. It might be easier for people to recognize, okay? So you have your cleansers and then you have your serums. Okay, serums are on. Now, the reason we're doing our serums before our moisturizer is because moisturizers, let me show you, are thicker. We'll put it on the back a little bit, right?
There we go.
And if you were to put a serum on top of a moisturizer, it's not going to absorb. No.
Okay.
And you're wasting your money, right? See the difference?
Very light. Okay.
Right. So serums, then comes your moisturizer. The moisturizer strengthens the outer layer of your skin, keeping it hydrated. When your outer layer is hydrated, it actually keeps all the good stuff in, the bad stuff out.
Okay.
You avoid a lot of problems.
So it's protecting that serum.
Exactly, exactly. And it locks it all in. Lastly, I highly recommend using a sunscreen. Do you use a sunscreen?
I'm going to drink.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Sunscreen.
Okay.
Yes.
I love hearing that. So one of my favorite sunscreens right now is the La Roche-Posay and Thelios Age Correct Daily Cream. Right? It has SPF of 50, and it actually has great ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, so it helps target hyperpigmentation, replump your skin, smooth your skin, so it's a great layer of extra protection against UVA and UVB. This is a sunscreen. I want you on your other hand, to feel the texture of this. It just launched in Shoppers, so I hope that they have it in stock.
It's really light.
It's very light, and it's also very sheer, which is really nice, right? So this is what I would recommend for a morning routine. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen.
Okay.
If you want to take it up a notch, right? You're comfortable. You can stay here.
Are we going off the table?
No. We're going to add some options in between. You can definitely stay here.
Okay.
But some people want a little bit more benefit. So you add a toner in. The toner is going to go right after your cleanser, before your serum.
Okay.
Okay?
And a toner kind of tightens everything up.
It can tighten things up. Some toners add extra hydration. Some toners exfoliate a little bit. It's just a little boost in any kind of goal you're trying to seek.
Okay, so toner before serum.
Yes. And you know what? This is actually a really popular ordinary toner. I have an ordinary moisturizer, and the reason I'm talking about these products is because they're really affordable. So if you're like, oh my God, skincare is too expensive, I don't want to experiment, great way to get into it. Okay. So you have your cleanser, your toner, then you have your serum, right? Now, say you want to add in an eye cream. You have puffy eyes, maybe you want to help with the wrinkles under your eyes. When your serum is setting, before you apply your moisturizer, use your eye cream
and play it over and over and over again every morning.
Well, you know what? It becomes easy once you practice, okay?
All right.
And you don't have to use all of these products.
All right, and we've got about 30 seconds.
Okay.
There is one here that we haven't talked about.
We haven't talked about this. So what I'm going to recommend is in the evenings, if you wear makeup like you and I, right, use a pre-cleanse before your cleanser to remove your makeup instead of using wipes. Because wipes are really harsh. They can actually damage your skin, I find.
All right.
So yeah, these are the steps. You don't have to use them all. It can be 4 steps if you want.
Shobana Lakkavally, thanks very much. Going to get all these details up on our website because I'll need it.